Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah. Finally, the face-to-face debate in UK has been fixed for 29th of April 2026 as 5:15 p.m. London time, and the venue will be announced very soon. Now, in this debate, the first debate topic is to Muhammad or Ahmad belief of Ahmadiyya movement, which is the core of their theology, which they themselves are calling as Ahmadiyyat ka aslul usul, i.e., the root of all principle of Ahmadiyya is what? Nauzubillah, Masih Maud Muhammadast wa Aine Muhammadast, Nauzubillah. That their promised Messiah is Muhammad, Nauzubillah, and he is Aine Muhammad. So this is the first topic of the debate, and inshallah, after that there are three more topics. Another one topic from our side, and they have given their two topics as well. And they said that they want all of these four debates on the same day. Guess what? Not a problem at all. We're going to deal with all of these four topics, two from our side, one I mentioned already, that will be the first topic, and then two from their side. So the second debate will be on their topic, which they have given regarding, the topic is regarding finality of prophethood. I said no problem, that will be the second debate. Then the third debate will be again our topic, and that is status of us non-Ahmadis, those who don't believe in Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, what is our theological status in Ahmadiyya ideology as per their literature. This will be the third topic, and then again the fourth topic will be again theirs, and which you would expect, death of Isa alayhi salam. So this is the development so far. Date is confirmed, time is confirmed. They have sent me an email within half an hour. I have already sent them a reply back to their email. I'm recording this video as well for the sake of record. Now inshallah, one condition they have put in place, they said, you know what, you can only bring 3 people with you, obviously other than myself and Adnan Rashid Bhai, which are coming to debate. Besides that, they said you can bring 3 people. Now I will see that how many people they're gonna bring from their side, because you would think it's only fair if it's 3 people from our side, it should be 3 from their side as well, just to keep the environment, in proper control and civilized. But inshallah, we'll see that and we'll let you know about that one. But now inshallah, everything has been confirmed and we have made it very clear. I said now date is confirmed, time is confirmed, topic is confirmed. You know what are your binding sources, we know what are our binding sources. Nothing needs to be discussed, and even if you want to discuss something from this point onward, there's no discussion on any other platform. Now inshallah we'll meet you on the venue, which you will announce and tell us on Tuesday morning on 28th of April. Once we meet on that venue, I have made it very clear in my email that everything will be live on camera. No private discussions. Whatever you want to discuss either about the debate or the actual debate itself, everything will be discussed live on camera so people can know who is saying what. Now a lot can be said, because the video they have published, a lot can be said about that. But guess what? Let's ignore all of that at the moment. Because right now we have one intention, that this debate should take place. And everybody should know the truth. Be it people from their community, be it the Muslim community, or be it any researcher or any other non-Muslim, so they can see who we are, who the Ahmadiyya are, what are our core beliefs, and what is the main difference. Inshallah, we look forward to the debate. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.